Home maintenance inspection, a key to holiday cheer and safety. A comprehensive home maintenance inspection is vital for safety and peace of mind as the holidays approach. This inspection can identify hazards like unstable railings or electrical issues, preventing accidents during festive gatherings. It's also a proactive step to avoid heating or plumbing emergencies. Additionally, evaluating energy efficiency can lead to cost-saving improvements and ensure your home's warmth and comfort. A thorough check of your roof and gutters prepares for winter challenges while ensuring fireplaces, candles, and holiday lights are safe and reduce fire risks. Regular inspections may also be necessary for insurance compliance. A pre-holiday checklist should include checking safety devices, heating, electrical and plumbing systems, structural integrity, roof, gutters, and energy efficiency. This inspection is not just a task but a protective measure for the well-being of everyone in your home during the holidays.